Alright, what is going on, guys? We are currently in my Miata, and if you have not seen any of my videos on it, it is a 91 NA6. It is bone stock, and I didn't really record a video this week. I didn't really have anything to talk about, so I figured just slap on the GoPro and go find a couple of cool roads, and there's a relatively short and sweet one right in front of us. I'm just going to give it a few minutes for the traffic to clear out. So yeah, we will see what she do. So I'm not going to go insane either because these tires are But we'll see how it goes. I didn't really want to go by that guy flying. Generally not a good idea to go fly past people. Alright, that was our first stop. I'm going to try to get in like maybe 2 or 3 runs today. I'll do a little run going the other way too, just because why not? Do not want to blast by people mowing their lawn. That would not be okay. So the road that I had initially planned to go on is being worked on, so I'm going to take this other road that was recommended to me by a friend and see what it has to offer. Also, my GoPro is both dying and apparently overheating, so let's see if we can bang this out real quick. Hopefully the GoPro's still recording. not driving 1010s for reasons like that and reasons like this. This little scenario is a little disappointing. So yeah, like I said, my GoPro is dying and overheating, so I think I'm going to wrap up this video. It was really nothing insane, just kind of a filler video. And honestly, I've been meaning to say that I'm probably going to go on like a little bit of a personal break from YouTube. Like by personal break, I mean like I won't be making like any videos of me like talking about stuff for a little while. Just because like I've been super stressed out over stuff and like my anxiety is just driving me insane. So there's still going to be like racing videos and stuff like that. Can I go around them? Yeah, but there's still gonna be videos like about like car show videos and like racing and stuff like that. But like the next time like I make a video about me like talking about something, it's probably gonna be when we pull the motor out of the Honda, which will probably be in a month if everything goes well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little back road run that I just felt like doing. And I'm definitely going to be exploring more back roads around my area, and hopefully we're going to be going to the Poconos soon. So, should be some nice roads to be driven up there. But until then, I will see you guys with probably an autocross video next week. That's where I'm going Sunday. Alright. Have an awesome day.